everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ali. Good morning. Today I just finished working out and I thought it would be a good idea for me to show you guys or share with you guys my recipe that I use to make my morning smoothies. I have a pretty set routine every day. So what I do, I work out every day before going to work, and that includes working out on the weekends. And then right after I get very hungry, so I have these smoothies that I like to take afterwards, or make, sorry. So today I'm going to show you guys my smoothie that's kale and spinach, blueberries, banana, coconut milk, and plain Greek yogurt. And I also add a little bit of honey. So here we go. I'm going to put my, it's just, normally I'm only making smoothies for myself in the morning. So I think it's like 2 cups of coconut milk. And then I'm gonna do my banana. I like the coconut milk. It's I don't know, it gives it a very rich taste to your smoothies. For my kale, what I did, I have like a handful of kale. Make sure that you guys wash your kale, and then what I took it apart. So it's just the same thing with my spinach. Baby spinach, all washed, ready to go. Handful of blueberries. I love blueberries. And for the yogurt, I do 2 tablespoons of the Greek plain yogurt. I'm gonna add a little bit of honey. This is just to make it a little sweet. And it's, for the honey, I'm gonna show you guys. It is raw, unfiltered honey. Make sure that it's, if you could get it organic, it's probably better. Okay, let's blend this. Here's my smoothie. And my daughters are always asking me, oh my goodness, why does it look so, like the color sometimes is not very pretty, but it does taste very good. And remember that it's very healthy stuff that we're drinking. They're, you know, kale, blueberries, spinach, they're all full of vitamins that are good for us. Especially, like I said, once I'm done working out, I just get hungry, and this is a quick way to eat. It's just a quick way to eat something before making myself some scrambled eggs or something that, you know, that's not as fattening, I guess. But let me try it. It's pretty good. Okay. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and tried it at home. Let me know if you guys did try it out, see how you guys like it. I'll be showing you guys more of my smoothies recipes and my everyday routine. I'll see you guys very soon. Make sure that you guys go to my channel. Maybe you haven't subscribed, do so please. Like and comment. I'll see you guys very soon. Salud.